be £4.
Aye, good 4.5, aye, sure.
Not exactly sea lice.
It was a good scrap.
What, 4 pulls we were through? 2 pairs of knickers. Wreck now, not so much fighting it.
I can't remember where I thought the road's at, sure.
Is it surfing on the water, but is it?
No.
Between water, rods and dogs. I hear you. Oh, wait, let's go. Kick. That's it, come on. Keep going. That's it. Up there. I won't let him go just yet. This is.
You start to kick there now.
Still no, he's not just forcing away.